Today, I am reviewing the Samsung Q990D 11.1.4ch soundbar. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing that stands out is the scale of the soundstage. With 11 front-facing channels, a dedicated subwoofer, and 4 up-firing drivers, this is not a simple left-right stereo upgrade. It fills a room in a way that smaller soundbars simply cannot. When watching Dolby Atmos content, height effects are not subtle suggestions, they are clearly perceived. Helicopters sound like they are above you. Rain feels as though it is falling from a ceiling. Action scenes gain vertical dimension, and that vertical layering dramatically increases immersion. The inclusion of rear speakers in the box is a major advantage. Many soundbars advertise surround capabilities, but require separate purchases to complete the experience. Here, the rear speakers are part of the system from the start, and they use both up-firing and side-firing drivers to reflect sound off walls and ceilings. When properly positioned, they create a dome of audio that surrounds the seating area. During intense movie sequences, directional effects move seamlessly from front to back. In gaming, positional cues become more precise, enhancing awareness and engagement. The subwoofer deserves particular praise. It is powerful without being overwhelming. Bass is deep, controlled, and punchy rather than muddy. Explosions carry impact, music has body, and low-frequency effects feel substantial without rattling the entire room unnecessarily. Samsung has tuned the subwoofer to complement the rest of the system rather than dominate it, which makes it suitable for both cinematic content and music playback. Wireless Dolby Atmos support is more significant than it might initially appear. The ability to enjoy Atmos without additional HDMI cables reduces clutter and simplifies setup, especially in living rooms where cable management can become complicated. The wireless integration remains stable and does not introduce noticeable sync issues. Dialogue stays aligned with on-screen action, which is critical for maintaining immersion. Q-Symphony is another feature that stands out when paired with compatible Samsung televisions. Instead of disabling the TV speakers, the system integrates them into the overall sound profile. This expands the front soundstage and adds extra dimension to dialogue and ambient effects. Rather than sounding like audio is coming from a single bar beneath the screen, it feels more anchored to the display itself. When the TV and soundbar work together, the front stage becomes broader and more cohesive. SpaceFit Sound Pro is one of the more practical enhancements. The system analyzes the acoustics of your room and calibrates output accordingly. In real-world use, this results in clearer dialogue and better balanced bass, especially in rooms that are not acoustically optimized. Instead of overwhelming smaller spaces or underperforming in larger ones, the soundbar adapts to its environment. This automatic calibration removes much of the guesswork that typically accompanies home theater tuning. Adaptive sound and active voice analyzer are particularly useful for everyday viewing. Dialogue clarity remains strong even at lower volumes, which is important for late-night watching. Background noise in the room does not easily drown out voices, as the system dynamically enhances speech frequencies when needed. This is noticeable during sports broadcasts and dialogue-heavy shows, where commentary remains crisp without having to constantly adjust the volume. Game Mode Pro is not just a label, it meaningfully enhances gaming sessions. When connected to a compatible Samsung TV, the system automatically switches to a mode optimized for 3D audio cues. Gunfire, footsteps, and environmental sounds feel more directional. The soundbar does not require manual adjustments each time you switch from movies to gaming, which simplifies the user experience. Music playback is also impressive. With support for built-in Alexa, Chromecast, AirPlay 2, and tap-to-connect functionality, streaming music is straightforward. The sound profile is balanced and detailed. Vocals are clear, instruments are well separated, and the stereo image remains wide. While it is optimized for cinematic sound, it does not compromise musicality. Build quality and design feel premium. The soundbar has a clean, understated look that fits modern living rooms. The rear speakers are compact enough to integrate discreetly, and the wireless subwoofer reduces cable clutter. Setup is intuitive, with wireless pairing that works reliably out of the box. There are a few realities to acknowledge. To extract the full benefit of Q-Symphony and automatic Game Mode Pro switching, pairing with a compatible Samsung television is ideal.